Well, today I'm giving a quick test, of the new gas burner that I'm trying out in this boiler, and we'll run it up to pressure and then probably do a blow down afterward. We're starting it off low and taking it easy, heating up the boiler kind of gently. It's capable of a whole lot more, as you can see. Okay, this beast is going to come alive. Got it lubricated. I've got steam coming through it now. Trying to get rid of the excess water. That one a little bit. Boy, that is sweet. There's the Doty steam boiler doing a fine job. Only got about 40 psi right now. Let's see if we can kick it up a notch. There. We'll close this off. Oh yeah. Okay, we're going to pump a little more water in here. You can see right there the water level. Looks like it's halfway up the tube right now. Well, there's a nice slow tick over. It's maybe 15 RPM or thereabouts. Raining a little out here. It's only got about 20 psi because I just pumped it full of water. It wasn't cold water, but it wasn't hot water either, so it'll take a while for the boiler to catch up. It was down about here, and I filled it to here. And I've got the heat cranked up a little in there. And with all the cold water, or cool water I just pumped in, we're going to have a look at the burner. I think it's doing a pretty good job, all things considered. There we go. Yeah, that's doing a nice job. I'll just shut down. We'll take another quick peek at the fire. Yeah, it's doing a good job. Well, you can see it's raining a little. It's kind of a light rain, but it's there nonetheless. We got some pressure building back up after adding a little more water. Yeah, there we go. Up to 50 now. I think we can try to run this engine again. There's a condensate drain bucket. Well, here we are at the Office of Steam, experimenting with the largest engine here, and needless to say, this one's too big to run in the house. Okay, I think we're going to be able to do the blow down here. Let's shut this off. All right, the fire's out. This is the blow down. That ought to melt the driveway. Now we'll put her away.